What's going on, YouTube? Coming back at you with another video. So right away, I need you to hit the like for me. I'm up at 3 o'clock in the morning doing videos for y'all. My inbox going crazy. And let me start by saying this is just a rumor. This is all alleged at this point. I don't have any confirmation or any more real details about exactly what happened. But the rumor going around right now, and a lot of people out there have heard this, is that WACK 100 got caught at Rolling Loud by J-ROC, which is Nipsey's bodyguard, and got hands put on him. I'm going to show you what WACK has up on Instagram. You can see all these people in these comments talking about this. Let's check it out. So he said 8:15 p.m. game hits the Verizon stage with a few special guests. So this was the post. I'm going to show you all the people in here. You look down, just 2 comments in. J-ROC got them hands. Heard them hands got put on you, big homie. J-ROC put hands on you, huh? This person said, what J-ROC did to you is just the first of many to come. What happened with J-ROC? They saying J-ROC put them paws on you. J-ROC a legend for dropping you just like Nipsey. How did you get knocked on Pyro? This person said, say Funky, it's real quiet right now. I would have for sure thought you would have jumped right on the internet, LOL. Rest in peace, Hustle Man. Pyro, the marathon continues, especially for you, my blood. So pace yourself. You got a long and bumpy road ahead of you. This is just the beginning. Roy, rumor going around that Nipsey former bodyguard caught up with you and put hands on you. This person said, who were you chasing after you got snuck? I couldn't tell. Let's see. WACK 100, I heard you got beat up. Learn how to keep your mouth closed. Heard somebody got at you. Say it ain't so, big dog. J-ROC showed you them hands. Keep talking like you can't be touched. Tired of hearing about the game. Lame as fuck. Old. Washed up rapper. He ain't no blood. This person said, WACK, you okay? Just heard something happen. Tell me that didn't happen on Pyro. Hey, big head. Literally. WACK, you okay? I mean, this is pretty much the end of it. It looks like no more comments are coming up, but a lot of people out there reacting to this alleged situation about WACK 100. Again, there's not many details other than the rumor is that J-ROC, Nipsey's bodyguard, actually caught WACK at Rolling Loud and put hands on him. I'm sure sooner rather than later, WACK 100 will get online and address the situation. We'll probably be finding out some more details later on today. So if you're subscribed to my channel, make sure you got the notifications on. I'm going to bring you everything I find on it. And as soon as I confirm, what happened, I'll bring that to you as well. Make sure you stay in tune and stay ready. I got you with the coverage. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, though. I appreciate you watching. Hit the like, subscribe, share. Make sure you turn them notifications on today. I appreciate you. Peace.